as Andrew just mentioned, I have a design partner, Will Lang, that we together are Volt Lab, and our main practice focuses actually on architectural objects, whether it's lighting, furniture designs, or even door handles, basically anything that you would find and experience in architecture, and that has to do with our background too. We're both, we actually both met at Michigan doing the MS program specifically for computational design and digital fabrication. That's where we worked on like robotic fabrication, CNCs, things like that, learning how we go from a computer interface to a physical part. So our practice is centered around that. It's how can we use all these great tools we have, 3D printers, how can we use unique ways of making things and leverage code to actually produce parts. Yeah, so our operation's pretty light to actually produce things here. Everything that we make, I can make with the stuff that you see around us right now, which is not much. And that's completely the goal. Not only are we trying to be lean as far as the practice goes, but we're also trying to be very sustainable with the materials we use.